Hi, I'm Sumit and I want to discuss in detail about a practice that is very close to my heart, which is oil pulling. So oil pulling is basically a mouthwash of your mouth, cleaning of your mouth, but it is done with oil and not any of the chemically laden mouthwashes that are available commercially. So we take any plain pure oil, cold pressed oil. It can be coconut, it can be sesame, it can be sunflower oil. Some people also do it with ghee. And you take a tablespoon of it and swish it in your mouth for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you throw it, you spit it out in the commode and you flush it out. So, and you do this on an empty stomach in the morning before brushing your teeth. And after doing the oil pulling practice, you then brush your teeth and then go about as usual. So you start with transparent oil and it becomes curd white at the end of the 10 minutes. And it removes all the toxins from your body. Basically, the oil pulls the toxins out of your body into the oil, which is why it's known as oil pulling. So all the toxins that we have inhaled over the years, like pollution, paints, pesticides, or anything else in the air, and are all the toxins that we keep lathering on our skin. So basically the oil pulls out these toxins which are deposited in your body.